Good afternoon, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today I'll be walking you through our Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. This boat has just arrived off the transport and it's very well outfitted and could be ready for delivery within just a few days after closing. Starting on the stern here, we have a pair of Mercury 350 Verado motors with the joystick piloting. This boat does have the gray gel coat color and then the black graphics as well. Gives you a nice little contrast. Looking up top, you can see there is the 5 rocket launchers. That's part of the fishing package, which also includes the raw water washdown and a stainless steel under gunnel shelf. Just below that, you will see the aft sunshade that will extend back approximately 7 feet. Moving forward, the last bit of the fishing package are these 3 tulip rod holders that sit right on the transom. Very nice starboard side walkthrough. A great thing about the 320 Vantage is it does have the in-deck fish boxes, one on starboard side, one over on the port. And then you can go ahead and move forward right here to the live well and refrigeration center. A nice thing the Boston Whaler does is they actually give you the switching here for your live well and any sort of your pumps, but then all of your lights and everything are at the helm. A great feature, a standard feature on the 32 is this dive door that folds right in. There's a rubber grommet that makes it very easy for the door to stay in place, and then you just clip it right down in place. We'll go ahead and go through the boat. Moving forward on the starboard side, the boat's outfitted with electronics, so we do have a Raymarine 16-inch Axiom Pro screen, and then just to the right of it is a 7-inch Mercury vessel view. You do have the Fusion stereo and then also a VHF as well. On the Vantage, they went ahead and put the head just underneath the helm here, so you have a wooden seat that'll fold down. You do have a freshwater sink, and then your fuses are all here underneath the rubber protection. Go ahead and open up the windshield. This will come all the way over. And then here, a great little feature is the bow filler cushion. Makes the entire front of this boat a day bed. So now you can fish in the back. You can have a nice place to lounge out. You can easily fit 3 or 4 people up here. Towels, drinks, everybody relaxing, a nice Florida evening. Moving forward, there is a recessed cleats. This boat does have an anchor windlass, and then also comes with a full sunshade. That's what those 2 rod holders are right there. Those will have poles, and then if I scoot back and look underneath the hard top, you'll see these D-rings here. Gives you a full shade sail. Over off to the port side, nice sized little cabin. This does fold all the way out and make it flat across for a bed. There is a great storage area that'll open up and give you space underneath the walkway. And then scooting over to the port side of the boat, you've got this great double wide helm seat. The passenger helm seat and the driver's helm seat will both be electrically actuated. They'll go up and down to the point where you can actually lean against it as a bolster. And then this one will flip around for stern seating. So if I just turn this way. So now I can go ahead and I can have seating facing aft and forward. You will notice right next to the subwoofer is a stainless steel base. This is where the J-shaped table leg will go ahead and go in, and you've got a table for everybody. Looking underneath, there's a very nice size storage. You can have life jackets inside here, anything you really need quick access to. And then a great feature to the Vantage is the very wide seat in the back. Here's a quick walkthrough. My name is Ryan Steele. You can reach me at 954-529-0020. I do work here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and happy to help you with any Boston Whaler. Get you back out on the water. Thanks and have a great day.